Good day viewers and thanks for tuning in to Polymerupdate TV, the world's first and only TV network with a free petrochemicals news show. You're watching the Petrochemical Market Synopsis with me, Shreyal Dhume. It is Monday, September 5th. Let's start with energy news. Crude oil prices inched higher on Friday on rising prospects that the OPEC Plus alliance, comprising of the OPEC and allies led by Russia, was strongly considering a reduction in crude oil production. The rise in prices was also driven by reports that talks to revive the 2015 Iran nuclear deal, formerly known as the Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action, had stalled. Brent crude prices rose by 66 cents, settling at $93 2 cents per barrel, while WTI futures increased by 26 cents, settling at $86 87 cents per barrel. On Friday, open spec naphtha prices rose by $12 per metric ton at $670 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels. Feedstock news for Asia, Europe and USA. In Asia last week, ethylene prices surged on the back of limited inventories coupled with some buying inquiries heard in the market. Market participants were anticipating a bullish demand outlook on expectations that product avails could be constrained owing to scheduled plant maintenance turnarounds in Asia. CFR Southeast Asia ethylene prices were assessed at $995 to $1,005 per metric ton levels, a steep week-on-week increase of $60 per metric ton. On Friday, CFR Northeast Asia ethylene prices were assessed at $965 to $975 per metric ton levels, a sharp rise of $110 per metric ton from the previous week. FOB Korea ethylene prices were assessed at $945 to $955 per metric ton CFR levels, while FOB Japan ethylene prices were assessed at $940 to $950 per metric ton CFR levels, both surged by $120 per metric ton from the previous week. In Asia last week, propylene prices marched higher. The market undertone was largely steady, with some market players anticipating demand to revive in the September to October period. In Europe last week, ethylene prices were assessed higher while propylene prices declined on account of bearish buying sentiments and weak upstream energy values. In the United States last week, ethylene prices edged lower while polymer-grade propylene prices inched higher and refinery-grade propylene prices were assessed stable. Before we move on to futures on the China Dalian Commodity Exchange for today, please do click on the bell icon to subscribe to our free news channel. And if you like today's video, please remember to like this video by giving us a thumbs up. It motivates us to continue to bring you this free informative news service on a daily basis. Back to futures on China Dalian Commodity Exchange on today on September 5th, 2022. LLDP prices are higher by 23 RMB per metric ton at 7,810 RMB per metric ton. PP prices are up by 7 RMB per metric ton at 7,796 RMB per metric ton. PVC prices are higher by 54 RMB per metric ton at 6,267 RMB per metric ton. MEG prices are up by 25 RMB per metric ton at 4,060 RMB per metric ton. That's all for today's Polymer News. Watch our daily news video tomorrow to know more. This is Polymer Update with me, Shreyal Dhume from Mumbai. Many thanks for watching.